Welcome back. You've now learned the core concepts of AI. But to truly make progress, you need to learn how to think like the people who build these systems. Being an AI engineer is more than just coding, it's a specific mindset for solving problems. Let's break it down. Before an engineer writes a single line of code, they approach a problem with a specific mental framework. By understanding and adopting this framework now, you'll find it much easier to learn and apply new technical skills later on. It's about building the right foundation for your thinking. The very first and most important step is to frame the problem correctly. This means translating a vague, real-world goal into a precise machine learning question. For example, instead of a goal like, build a spam filter, an engineer thinks, can I predict, for any given email, whether it belongs to the category, spam, or the category, not spam? This immediately tells them it's a classification problem. Step 2. Think about the data first, last, and always. Before even considering a cool AI model, a good engineer is obsessed with the data. They ask, what data do I need to solve this problem? For predicting house prices, I'll need data on their features. Where can I get this data? Is it publicly available? And most importantly, how good is it? They know that 80% of the work in a real-world AI project is collecting, cleaning, and preparing the data. Step 3 is a rule that separates professionals from amateurs. Always start with the simplest possible solution. It's tempting to jump to the most powerful, state-of-the-art model you've read about, but that's a mistake. A good engineer first builds a simple, baseline model. This gives them a score to beat. Only then do they carefully and methodically try more complex approaches. The goal is to solve the problem efficiently, not just to use the fanciest tool. So, let's summarize the mindset. A great AI engineer thinks like a scientist. They are driven by curiosity and a desire to experiment. But they are also a pragmatist, always starting with the simplest solution that might work. They know that the data is the most important part of the puzzle. It's like being a detective. You gather your evidence, follow the clues in the data, and build your case step by step. This problem-solving mindset is truly your most powerful asset. As you begin your journey into the more technical side of AI, keep these principles in mind. They will guide you, help you avoid common mistakes, and make you a much more effective builder. In our next lesson, we'll explore the fascinating intersection of AI's mind with the physical world, robotics.